Hi, Pidgin English Coach here. Today I'm going to tell you about the meaning of Comot for road. When you hear someone say Comot for road, it means get out of my way. Now the word Comot means go out or move away. Alright, get out or to get out. So if I say Comot for road, I'm saying go out of my way. You can use it to tell somebody to step away from you. Comot for my road means go out of my way. Alright, so if you tell somebody, guy, comot from my road, you're saying, my friend, who is the guy, get out of my way. Or you can say, babe, comot from my road. It means, babe, get out of my way. Alright? You can also say, carry your nonsense, comot from my road, which means, take your nonsense and get out of my way. Alright? So that's the meaning of Comot for road. So you can use that on your Nigerian friends or just anybody who understands Pidgin. Alright? See ya. Once again, if you haven't gotten my Kindle book, you need to get that so that you can start learning Pidgin. Alright? Go get the Kindle book in the link below. I also have audio courses and one-on-one training. If you want that, contact me directly and then we can work something out. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Tell me what you think about what I just did. Tell me what you would like me to do more, and maybe I could do more of that. Alright, bye bye.